Hey guys, and welcome back to Living with Charnelle. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need Macabo, onion, hot pepper, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, meat of choice. I'm going to use beef and I'm going to use about half of this because that's a lot of meat. Ndole, which is bitter leaves, black pepper, salt, white pepper, cube if you consume cube, dry shrimp, palm oil, and dry fish. You're going to blend together the onion, the tomatoes, the ginger, and the garlic.